My name is Alan Moore. I'm from Suircan Environmental, a community group based in Clonmel that is looking at the health of our wonderful River Suir. We put together a project funded by Leader to look at the existence of 3 threatened river species. These are the sea lamprey, the white-clawed crayfish and freshwater pearl mussel. Now today is the first day of this exciting project kicking off, and we've had a great turnout of volunteers. 14 or 15 people have come together on the banks of the river to be instructed in how to take river samples. And these are going to be taken in the next couple of weeks and sent off to Dublin for analysis. And they will tell us about whether the sea lamprey is under threat, whether it's healthy or how it's getting on. And this will form the first part of this project that is going to last for the rest of the summer. We had a very detailed demonstration from Jens and Nettan Carlson, who represent the company BioID, who explained to us about the detailed nature of water sampling. And it's a very complex procedure. They broke it down to us very well and explained how a water sample bottle is taken from 3 locations in each of the sampling points in the river. And then the water is sucked through a filter so that the water volume is reduced right down, and the residual material in the water sample, including genetic material from these threatened species, we hope can be collected in a small disc. And this is then carefully sealed in a sterile container so that it can be sampled in the laboratory in Dublin. One of the issues that was stressed today was the need for very careful attention to sterilization, and gear, footwear, boots and so on all have to be sterilized after leaving the river. Gloves have to be worn when taking the samples, because any human material which can contain human DNA will spoil a sample. So Jens Carlson gave us very detailed information about how to ensure that samples were not contaminated.
So our teams are going to sample all the way across the River Suir from north to south tip, and collect, initially we're going to collect 25 samples for sea lamprey, but in total for the project there's going to be 120 samples collected. So it's great, we're all delighted to be involved in this project. It's fantastic for Clonmel and for the River Suir in general as well to get this information. The project is going to be run, it's starting now, so the beginning of June, and it's going to run actually till about September or so. The sampling will take place in September, and then our results are going to be compiled into a report which will become publicly available, so that should take us up to maybe about November at that stage.